Welcome to 3353 Browndell Drive, Chattanooga. Here you have a very nice all brick home that sits on 1.28 acres, listed at $239,900. Here you can see the side yard, walking into the fenced in backyard. With nice entertainment space. Not only would your kids love the backyard, but your pets will as well. On the other side, you do have a 2-car drive-in garage. With access to the backyard as well. You also have a storage unit. Let's go take a look inside the home. Inside, you have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all on the main living. As you enter the front door, you have a very nice living room area with a gas fireplace with a lot of natural light. Off of the living room, have a very nice kitchen with lots of cabinets. And a keeping room area that could also be your dining room. Off of the kitchen, you do have a nice screened in back patio area that overlooks the backyard. Great space for entertaining. With access to the backyard. If we can get out, there we go. With another entertaining space at the bottom. As we go down the hallway, you have a full bath. nice linen closet. A tile shower. In the hallway, you also have a great size linen closet. Great storage area. The first room on the left is a good size bedroom. With a good size closet. On the left as well, you have another good size bedroom. And it also has a good size closet. Across the hall, you have a great size master bedroom. With a good size master closet. You also have new windows throughout the house. And then a master bath. That is all the rooms on the first floor. As we go down to the basement, you're going to find a great entertaining space, great man cave. You do have access to the backyard from the basement as well, through some very nice sliding doors. Your laundry closet, great space. And also a good storage under the steps. And some more storage, great storm shelter. On the other side of the basement is the garage. You do have a 2-car garage. Let me see if I can get us some more light. It is a very deep garage with a utility sink. gas heat. Plenty of room for any kind of storage. This all could be yours. Great space. Very nice level backyard. If you have any questions, just click on the link provided in this live virtual tour. One last look at the backyard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.